I've been teaching here 24 years, currently teaching woodworking and cabinet making. We have our set classroom, and then we have our wood shop that we do work in. I'd say the shop we spend about 75% of the time in, and the classroom we spend about 25% of the time in. In every field, no matter what, there's paperwork, there's emails, there's things that you need to take care of, and it's good for the students to know that, yeah, there's a hands-on side, there's a field side, there's a shop side to things, but then there's also the paperwork side of things. In each pathway, we do a really good job of having that all aspects covered of whatever industry they're going into.
So being a girl in the CTE classroom, it feels amazing. I've gotten an award for it last year. They give you more opportunities. So the field trips that we go to, he says that he encourages me to go to it, and they would talk to us about architecture, construction, welding, all these other things, and they help you try to get in if you want to.
In my opinion, I believe that this is setting me up very greatly. I'm learning many new things. I believe we have a really good high-tech shop. Both shops are very safe, up to standard. Our teachers make sure everything is correct. They walk us through everything. It's a very hands-on experience with them. They encourage us to ask questions at all times. They're always there watching over us. There's not a moment when we're in the shop by ourselves, and I think there's a lot to learn. A really high-tech shop that we have.
So I do have a lot of students come back and say, you know, Mr. Krause, I'm working as a cabinet maker now, I'm working as a carpenter, and a lot of the stuff you taught me I use on a daily basis.